Did you know that there is always contributing factors from a poor gut health, chronic inflammation to the digestive system, and dysbiosis that's going to contribute to worsening thyroid health and especially Hashimoto's, which is autoimmune thyroid. So when it comes to struggling with more dry skin and more brain fog and fatigue throughout the day and more hair loss and weight gain, if your doctor's only approach was just to take a pill for your thyroid, then they're not helping you solve that problem, unfortunately. So this patient tested positive for thyroid antibodies and an ANA positive, and she was just shocked to discover that, of course, the dysbiosis that she was dealing with was contributing to an over-responsive immune response that was attacking, quote unquote, the thyroid. And as we can see here also, her metabolic health was really struggling and she needed some support here. And as you'll even find within the research, and why we get such great results with patients, is because improving gut health improves Hashimoto's thyroiditis situations. And here we see just how poor this patient's immune response looks like and how many overgrowths that she was dealing with that were directly contributing to dysbiosis and a further weakened thyroid response as well. What this patient was also shocked to see was she had 21 different food allergies, which is extremely common with Hashimoto's autoimmune thyroid patients. You have to discover exactly what foods are triggers for you beyond wheat, beyond cow's milk and eggs, which are the most common ones that we see clinically here with thyroid autoimmune. And always just make sure your doctor's making the connections with Hashimoto's and how many food allergies we see with these patients by getting them answers to calm those responses down. So this patient was just ecstatic that we weren't a practice that just throws a pill at somebody to solve the problem. We started to discover the stressors to her thyroid and therefore bring back a healthier function by calming down the inflammation in the first place. If you've been struggling with autoimmune thyroid especially, and you're not getting any more information on healing your gut and looking at your immune system triggers, comment testing down below to get some more information.